Traders War Room proudly presents the daily video with the best trading and investing alerts anywhere on any platform. With up-to-date stock, chart, and market news, TWR is simply your one-stop shop. Wednesday SITREP. Stay tuned at the end for TWR Hot Products and Services. Alert update. Keeping it real, I took a loss today. Went in for Apple, 175 put, 57. It reversed really quick, and we ended up taking a $23 loss per contract. But losses happen, and that's why we stay diverse. Our coin swing absolutely went straight to the house, guys. Look at that. Entry 158, exit 1055. It don't get prettier than that. Closed out of XOM at 215. We entered at 92. Peloton was trending, and we went ahead and took a momentum play. 65 to 74, 50% left for the swing. And we had a decent closeout on a penny stock trade. We ended up taking 50% of our position out on FFIE. It popped from 21 to 36, and this was an old trade we had for a while. So good to always take profits when you're in the green. And remember, guys, these are just my trades. I have over 40 analysts and algo bots pushing alerts every day, like these. Something for everyone and every style. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible as a Traders War Room market warrior. So quit wasting that money that's not making money and join TWR today. All links are in the description. Stocks I like. Okay, so here's how the chart's gonna go. Basically, you're gonna see three colors: purple, blue, and red. The purple, that's our battle zone, all right? Triggers on the high and the low that give us the idea of continuation to either our high target, which is blue, or our low target, which is red. Definitely gotta use these as trigger points and ideas because the volatility of the market can change the landscape in an instant, okay? So very cautious, head on a swivel, and be ready to attack. All right, so let's start off with SPY. SPY has been trading here recently very tight, and I'm thinking that we're going to get a break, and it's probably going to be to the downside because it seems as though we're hitting that buyer's exhaustion to the upside, and we got declining volume. So I would think we probably get a jump, we go retest, and then we reject, and we come back down. So I'm looking more for the rejection play to the downside on a SPY trade. Dave & Buster's is interesting. Ticker is PLAY. This one had a huge day pushing up on some extreme volume, but peaked out and came back down. So I do think that we probably give up a little bit on this one, as that was an extreme move for this one, and we'll probably reject and go retest to see if we can hold the support at the bottom. BA had a little knee-jerk reaction, and it absolutely just broadened out extreme from 210 all the way to 202. Battle zone is about 207 to 204, and I think that we probably can push to the upside on BA. Typically, BA likes to have some down days, and then we'll have an up day, but we have been trending pretty high for a while, so it could be due for a cool down. So utilizing the battle target zones, we'll go ahead and just wait for the trigger to pull, and then follow for continuation to either the high side or the downside. Tesla, I've been betting against this for a while and had some pretty good success with some recent trades, but this thing has just continued to go. I am still on the bearish side of the house. I just don't think it has enough juice to just keep going without coming down and having a significant pullback. So I am looking for the push up to that 228 area, probably some rejection, and then we come back down a little bit to retest the bottom levels and see if we can truly hold the support. Coin is interesting because it had a huge knee-jerk reaction to the downside because of the SEC violations or the litigations, and then it had a spawning push to the upside today. However, we wicked out pretty hard, and I'm thinking that we probably got a little bit of a push back down to retest those lower levels to see if they'll hold or not. So I do think that we got some downside on this one, and I wouldn't be surprised if we initially push up at the bell and then we start to come back down as far as the rest of the crypto ecosystem. And MVIS is trending, and I'm not necessarily sure on the news on this one. I did some research and I didn't see too much clarity on the news, possibly a short squeeze, but we got the battle zone right there with some continuation targets if we peak through the battle zone. So we'll be paying attention to this one. It could be a quick, nice little push play, but a lot of times when these push like this, it's too much too soon, and it always comes back. Upcoming events. Our next class is set, guys. On 11 June at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, TWR is going to teach you Sports Betting 101, how to pick and bet the winners from the losers. Our instructor, Tech Bets, is the best analyst you've never heard of. He's the total package, guys. He has a great win percentage, great picks, and great knowledge. And he's only on TWR. He's going to teach you the basics and the strategy that makes bank betting on live sports. So sign up today right there at traderswarroom.com/upcoming classes. And as always, the link is in the description. I will see you there. Join the TWR Investment Club. Are you tired of trading alone, losing more than you're winning? Or are you just too busy with work, family, and life to focus and hit the market bullseye? If that's you, then join the TWR Investment Club. We trade the account for you and then pay you profit and loss distro. We run both a 30-day and a 6-month club. Next club starts 1 July 2023. Sign up opens 15 June. And the link to join the free chat where you get all the information is in the description. Quit wasting money that isn't making money. Join the team and trade with TWR Bulls. All the links are in the description.